The humanities are interested in different ways of being human, from the fine arts right through to architecture, where we're thinking about designing buildings for people. In the end, it's all about people. Our humanities program is quite distinct. We are focused on the new humanities, on the ways in which the humanities is integrated with technology in particular, and recognising that the world is changing. The quality of the teaching is fantastic. Teachers are really passionate about the work they do. We're connected to government, we're connected to a whole range of agencies. So there's opportunities for students to engage in work integrated learning, which not only builds their networks into the community, but also gives them some real hands-on experience. We've got some great facilities here. We have recently upgraded our media studios to 4K. We have a state-of-the-art education building where there are simulated classrooms for students to practice teaching in. A newly refurbished theatre for our theatre studies students. We've broken the ground on a new building for architecture, design and the built environment. Curtin has global campuses in Dubai, in Mauritius, Singapore and Malaysia. It gives us a sense of what it means to be an international university and, of course, a real drive for our students to become citizens of a global community. We take employability of our graduates very seriously, so we work as hard as we can to make sure that our programs are connected to industry, are relevant to industry, that they're informed by people that we consult with in industry, so that when our students graduate, they have a high chance of finding employment because they're ready for it. They've got the skills, they've got the connections. In many cases, they have already networked with people they may indeed work with in the future, and they're ready to make the world a better place.